Welcome to the first part of our Procure to Pay video series. In this video, I'm going to explain the various steps involved in the procurement process. Determination of requirement. We can manually create purchase requisition through transaction code ME51N to inform purchasing department for requirement of materials. If we set MRP for materials in the material master, the SAP system generates planned order or purchase requisitions. Later we can convert planned order to purchase requisitions. Determination of source of supply. We can create request for quotation to determine source of supply, or we can use exist purchase order, contract and conditions. We can create request for quotation to multiple vendors through transaction code ME41 and maintain prices from multiple vendors through transaction code ME47. Vendor selection. We can compare the prices from multiple vendors through the transaction code ME49. Here select the vendor and print the rejection letters. Purchase order processing. We can create purchase order manually or automatically. To create purchase order manually, we can use the transaction code ME21N. Here we can refer purchase requisition or quotation to create purchase order. Purchase order monitoring. Once we create the purchase order, if it is subject to release strategy, we must and should release the purchase order through transaction code ME29N or ME28. ME29N we can use to release single purchase order, or ME28 we can use to release the multiple purchase orders. To view the list of the purchase orders, we can use the transaction code ME2M or ME2L. Goods receipt. Goods receipt in SAP we can do through transaction code MIGO. When we did goods receipt for stock materials, stock level will increase and price of the material updates in the material master accounting one view, and it updates the purchase order history. Invoice receipt. Enter the invoice in SAP, we can use the transaction code MIRO. When we are did invoice receipt, system debits the GRR account and credits to vendor account, and it updates the purchase order history. Payment processing. Run payment to pay vendor liabilities. The accounting department is responsible to run the payment process. In the next video, I will show the end-to-end demo in the live SAP system. Thank you.